this won't be so long video. So starting with my first ever slime. This is my first slime. Then I want to show you. It's my green slime. It feels really wet because I added a lot of solution. And this one I made it with Elmer's school glue, food coloring, shaving foam, and saline solution, which is like an activator. Whatever activator. My second slime is this blue slime. I made this one with Elmer's school glue. Then I made it with a tablespoon of baking soda. Then I added saline solution. This one is so clear because I used clear Elmer's glue, so you can see me through this blue slime. So it's so clear I can see the camera. Now this recipe did not work out for all of my slime, so I had to throw some away. But that's okay. Alright, so wait 1 second. Okay, sorry about the background noises, but we're doing some things. So moving on to the next slime is this. I call it my butter slime, but it's not actually butter slime. It's on my hand now. And it's very stretchy, but gone a little thick, but that's okay. I made out of the same ingredients as this one. The Elmer's glue, food coloring, shaving foam, and an activator. So next, this one is my favorite slime out of all because it's super stretchy. Now you're wondering, how did I make this slime? This slime is not the safest recipe, guys. This recipe, I made it with some Elmer's glue. Then I put some warm water in it. And then I took a separate bowl and I put some other warm water, which was 1 cup of water. And then I added 1 teaspoon of borax. Then I mixed that all up. Then I put the 2 solutions together, and then it formed into this slime. I'm going to be making another one later. I might make a video of, I don't know. Yeah, so those are all my slimes. And hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.